Hi everyone, my name is Miss Nicole and I'm a children's librarian at the Central Library. Welcome to this month's Tween Twist craft. This month we are going to be making Baby Yoda paper bag puppets. You can catch The Mandalorian on Disney Plus and take a look and see what this is all about. So for this craft we only need a few simple things. We need some glue, some markers, and a handy pair of scissors. Everything else you can pick up at your local library. We have our handy coloring sheet. We're going to go ahead and start coloring the face and the outer ears green. The inner ears are going to be pink or whatever color you prefer. So the best thing about this, I think, is the fact that we're cutting this out means we can color outside the lines. And we can color any color we want, any pattern, any design. It is up to you. So I can go a little bit crazy with mine. I don't have to color inside the lines because we're cutting it out. Mine looks a little bit like this. When I'm all finished, it's going to go ahead and look like this. Then all we have to do is cut it out and glue it on our paper bag. And we have a Baby Yoda paper bag puppet. Thanks, and we'll see you again soon.